Hello Ashma, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm doing well. Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
And where do you live now?
I live in Kathmandu, Chavel Bauta.
hmm how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
hmm And what do you do? Now, what do you do currently?
Nowadays, I'm free. I'm nothing
hmm
doing.
Okay. What is your educational qualification, Ashma?
I have done my schooling.
hmm how many members are there in your family?
There are six members in my family.
And who are they?
My grandmother, my father, my mother, my sister, my brother, me.
Okay. What do you know about Carbonic Community Organization?
It is Kurdish registered charity organization where individuals lives in with other in healthy social relationship based on mutual care and respect and a home for social, emotional, intellectual and learning disabilities in the heart of since 1978.
hmm So, what are your reasons for joining us?
I was inspired by Corbinic community organization which focus on working together as a varied group of people sharing life in a way and promote is that person feeling of equity, dignity and equality and value the decision to join campaign which I while visiting your website.
Okay. How do you know about us, or how do you know about Carbonic Community Organization?
I got to know about the STEAM organization in Google while doing some research of volunteering organization to meet my career interest.
Okay. So, do you have any previous experiences in this caregiving field?
In my early adult period, in my early period till to now, I used to take care of my grandparents for their personal care, like managing their bedding, assisting them taking for food and medicine, and changing their dresses, etc.
Okay. So, what are your particular interests in workshop during afternoon period?
As I have mentioned in my farm today, I'm interested in farm, food, craft, garden, etc.
Okay. Can you explain about your work experience?
I have worked as a beautician for half a year. After it, I have been San Pedro Yoga Club for 2 years as a volunteering service.
Mhm. So, can you bear the expense of ticket and stay and the accommodation?
Yes, I can accommodate the cost.
What is your date of birth
My date of birth is 26 April 1995.
and a passport number?
My passport number is 111952224.
hmm So, have you applied yourself or have you applied from an agent?
I have applied by myself 14 December 2022.
Okay, that's good. So, have you paid the insurance fee?
Yes, I have paid the cost.
Okay. So will you be able to give care to the people in our organization?
Yes, I'll be able to give personal care to anyone of any age.
Okay. So, in which post are you applying for, actually?
I'm applying post for a caregiver.
hmm And why are you interested in this position?
Well, because I love doing social work and help them for and help them in my early adult period to care. Till I used to take care of my grandparents, and I'll be best for your organization.
Okay. So, do you know what are the roles and responsibility of a caregiver?
Yes, I know my work offer is to care, to help them other social activities and help them for eating food, changing their bedding, medicines, and help them for other social activities, etc.
hmm So do you know we won't be giving you any salary, but but we will be providing you the accommodation and food here. So are you okay with that?
Yes, I know about it and I'm fine with this. I just focus on my career, so I'm joining this organization to gain some knowledge, experience, and working from different colleagues in different nations.
Uh-huh. So what kind of trainings have you done till now?
What? Yes, I can say.
What are the trainings have you done till now?
I am training Sai Beauty Parlor for half a year. The date was one. The date the, sorry. The date was the date was 11th March 2014.
Mhm.
Starting time in training in training and the training
Finished.
date was 12th September 2014.
Okay. So when did you finish your schooling?
I complete my schooling at 7th September 2014.
Uh-huh. From which school?
Sri Nepal Rashtriya Mavi Aura Simara Bara.
Okay. So have you also done a basic medical course?
Yes, I have done.
Mm-hmm. So when did you do it?
The date time was say
Mm-hmm.
the 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 date was the date the
The date was
the date was 2 April 2019. I was studying and expired and date expired was the 1 April 2020. I started I the date
finished.
expired.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
worked I worked 1 year.
Okay, fine, good. So, what did you do as a beautician in Sai Beauty Parlor and Training Center?
There was my work is hair straight, massage, cleaning, manicure, pedicure, waxing, etc.
Okay. So, from when did you from when did you start volunteering at Santi Toll Yuva Club?
Santi told you have club. I starting at 7
At
February
at 8 January 2015.
8 January 2019 I started and finishing date was 6th February 2020 I finished.
Okay, so that was great, Ashma, and your visa is granted.